Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss how to apply this formula. Just check the formulas and please note it down. So overall there are total 7 formulas. So I'm going to show you a couple of sums where we need to apply this formula. So first sum, suppose I'm just taking an easy one for the first time. So first sum, suppose if it is integration of dx divided by like root of sorry, not root, first time just only 9 minus x square. So I'm going to write it as integration of dx divided by 9 can be write as 3 square minus x square. Now which formula to be used, just check the formula number 2, that is a square minus x square. So if I'll apply the formula, it will be 1 divided by 2a, right? So then it will be log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So this is a simple use of formula. If I move to the next sum I'm just going a bit critical one. Suppose we have to do this sum. So number 2, I'm just changing the color. Suppose the sum is integration of dx divided by 25 plus 9x square. I already mentioned this in previous videos. Just check if anything is multiplied with a variable, if there is opportunity, just try to remove that. So how to remove that? Just check this for this sum. You will write it integration of dx divided by 25 by 9 plus x square. Can you do this? So 1 by 9 will go outside, right? So if I do this now, it will be integration of dx divided by x square, and this will be 5 divided by 3 whole square. So what's the benefit of doing this? Because if you will do this, you can directly apply the formula. Otherwise again you have to substitute and then again you can apply the formula. So for this sum, it will be 1 divided by 9 into dx divided by x square plus a square. The formula is 1 by a is 5 by 3, right? And then tan inverse x by a. So x is simple x here, x divided by a plus c. Previous sum, I think, oh yeah, I wrote for plus c. Please don't forget to write that. So you will cancel this, so it will be 1 by 15. Tan inverse, this 3 will go up, so 3x divided by 5 plus c. So this is the different formula we can apply. Now I'm going to do 1 or 2 sums where we need to first substitute and then we have to apply the formula. Suppose this sum, this is integration of root over of a plus x divided by a minus x dx. So if I'll ask you what we have to do, many of you can say that's the first we have to rationalize. So if I rationalize with the factor root over of a plus x, I'll multiply. So it will be root over of a plus x into root over of a plus x divided by a minus x into a plus x dx. So if I just apply the formula and separate the terms. So first term I'm writing a divided by root over of a square minus x square dx, and second one I'm writing 8. This will be root over of a plus x whole square. So only a plus x, right? So second term will be x dx divided by root over of a square minus x square. For the first term, just a is constant, so it will be 1 divided by root over of a square minus x square. You know the formula. By the time maybe you can learn the formula. So the formula is sin inverse x divided by a plus c. I am not writing. For this, what I am doing, just check, I am going to take a square minus x square as z square. I told you anything under root, you are going to take it as z square. So if I differentiate this separately, so minus 2x dx will be equals to 2z dz, right? So 2 to cancel out. So x dx can be write as minus z dz. So the sum will be minus z dz divided by, this is z square, so it will be ultimately z. So this to cancel out, right? So if I'll cancel out this 2, what will I get? Just check. So it will be a sin inverse x divided by a minus integration of dz, that is z plus c. If there are more than one integration in one sum, so when you will do the last integration, that time please put plus c. So your z square was a square minus x square. So if z will be root over of that thing, so a sin inverse x divided by a minus root over of a square minus x square plus c, right? So further, if I'll proceed for next 1 or 2 more sums, if I'll do, just check. So suppose the sum is this one. Next sum, suppose if I choose this one, integration of 3x divided by 1 plus 2x to the power 4 dx. So for this type of sum, what I will do, I just check whenever you substitute something, please check the differentials of that thing exists or not. First, if I take x square as z, so if I differentiate 2x dx will be my dz, right? So what will be my sum? Now just check this x dx. This x dx is by dz divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2, dz is there. Then 1 plus 2, x square is z. So from there x to the power 4 will be z square, right? So it will be 2z square. I said something that whenever anything is multiplied with the variable part, please take that outside. So 3 divided by 4, if I write next line, it will be dz divided by z square plus 1 by 2. Can we write 1 by 2 as 1 by root 2 whole square? So it will be 3 divided by 4, formula 1 divided by a is 1 divided by root 2, tan inverse z divided by a plus c. So if I'll put the value over there, the value of z is x square, right? So if I simplify this thing, this root 2 and 4, this will be 2 root 2, right? So it will be 3 divided by 2 root 2, tan inverse z is my x square. So this will be root 2 x square plus c. So just try to solve this exercise, is very easy. If you know substitution properly, you can do this exercise really well. I am going to explain some work. Please try this. If there is any problem, you can write in the comment box. That's it. Thank you.